I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
Bye-bye, Daddy. So lot for sale, please call. Ooh, wow. Fighting for something. This lot is for sale next to the best beach. So if you're interested, you can build a resort here. We arrived at one of the best parts here, and they told us that the beach here it's really good. So we decided to come and check it out.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time to try to fix this on your own? You said you'd be alright, and around the corner is another day. Although I know that's a lie, I'm waiting for you to give it up. 'Cause there is some hidden love, hidden love, hidden love just for us. 'Cause you got that free love, and you want to heal the world. So now
We had such a wonderful time at this locals beach. Our waterfall tour guide recommended it to us, so we knew this beach was going to be something very special. Now we're heading back to the resort to enjoy our last night here in Siquijor.
It's so hot, about 40 degrees or 45, so we're just going to nowhere. And then we're gonna do some snorkeling there.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go or what's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
I feel like a princess.
Princess, I'm gonna take you to the best place now.
Where is my prince taking me?
Defying our own emotions, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
What do you guys think about my rolling skills? It's my first time, so I'm getting better.
We live in Siquijor today,
Sadly.
but we are excited for our next destination.
Yeah, we're going to
Mobo.
It's the notion that we